Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing the Depin narrative in crypto, guys. It's going to be an interesting video, so do watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, then do subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon, and you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so you guys can check that out as well. Anyways, guys, let me go show you first and foremost what the Depin narrative, the Depin infrastructure is. It is estimated to be a 3.8 trillion market by 2028. So this shout out to Big Jace. I found a really simple way to explain what Depin is by this thread. So what basically is Depin? Depin is the decentralized physical infrastructure networks. Let us go through that, and then I'm going to be showing you a few projects that are a part of that. So it's going to be an interesting video. Stay tuned. Crypto has no real world use case. It's all worthless token and monkey pictures. Decentralized physical infrastructure network is the real world use case crypto has been missing. I mean, there are a lot of other narratives as well that are providing real world use case. So I might differ over here because this is not the only one. Regardless, so yeah, this is one of those narratives that has real world use case. So the estimated market is dollar 3.2 trillion by 2028, according to Big Jace. So basically, this thread provides us what is Deepin, how Deepin works, categories of Deepin, how to participate, benefits of Deepin, Deepin projects to look out for. The Deepin projects that Big Jace has discussed, I've seen another thread that has talked about the projects that we discussed. So we will be going through that, guys. So I'm going to be skimming through this. You guys can read this thread in detail because it is a bit in detail, and it is a bit long basically. So yeah. Anyways, what is DePIN? Decentralized physical infrastructure networks refers to networks that leverage token incentives to encourage individuals to share their resources. So basically, guys, the individuals would be given the token incentives in terms of rewards or any other mechanism, and they will be incentivized and motivated to share their resources. So basically, those resources can be anything ranging from computing power, storage space, internet bandwidth. You might have seen the projects that we've discussed, such as Rndr network providing GPU power, and Jasmy providing data, basically a data, decentralized data, Iota providing data, and that sort of stuff, guys. And a bittensor Tau, in which your knowledge, AI modeling knowledge, is going to be involved, guys. There are a lot of projects involved. Energy generation, sensor data. So a lot of projects that we've discussed are a part of Deepin, Constellation DAG, guys, involved with data. So these projects, basically the Deepin infrastructure is involved with the sharing of resources and incentivizing individuals to provide those resources, guys. Although this narrative just started to gain traction, it has been around for a while and has gone by many names. So it has gone by many names. You guys can call it many things, but the idea remains the same. So we would not get into it. We just need the idea, basically, guys, what it is. How Deepin works. Centralized Web2 companies spend billions of dollars harvesting our personal and environmental data at our expense. So this is a problem. Whenever a new technology comes or an innovation comes, guys, it is due to a certain problem that a new tech aims to solve. So you know that companies have spent billions of dollars basically taking out your data, your sensitive data, your likes, your dislikes, and basically they've made a lot of it. They've made a fortune by that. So now you might be able to earn by your own source resources, basically, guys. The main idea behind Depin is to flip the traditional model over its head. Depin projects try to outsource this build-up and maintenance process to a token incentivized army of volunteers. Guys, stay with me because we would be discussing top 10 tokens according to crypto reviewing as well. So stay tuned. We just need to get this idea straight and then we will move on to the projects. You can contribute these resources to deepen projects and earn tokens incentives. Deepen incentivizes and empowers citizens to improve public infrastructure around them. So now this is empowering the individuals. They are getting involved in this infrastructure. So that is cool. That is financial empowerment that we talk about, the liberation. So categories of Deepin. Deepin is broadly categorized into two networks, basically physical and digital resource networks. Physical encompasses networks categories such as wireless, geospatial, mobility, and energy. Digital encompasses like storage, compute, bandwidth. So you can even provide your bandwidth for rewards and all of that stuff, guys. That is awesome. You guys can check this graphic out as well check to know in detail what physical resource networks and digital resource networks are, guys. How to participate? Anyone can participate in the Deepin movement as user, builder, advocate. Benefits of Deepin. Deepin creates a connection between physical facilities and the blockchain. The network is credibly neutral and collectively owned, which means building infrastructure is 10x faster. Decentralized networks distribute data and responsibilities among thousands of nodes instead of relying on centralized data centers. So this allows the network to not become centralized and manipulated. Users can easily verify information via blockchain explorers. Users can influence their involvement and earn rewards by expressing opinions through autonomous governance mechanisms rather than pay for a service they have no say over. Guys, so I think that you now understand what Deepin infrastructure is, what the Deepin narrative is, and it has the potential to be huge in the upcoming decade, guys. Estimated to be around $3.2 trillion by 2028, guys. Now, a few projects that we've discussed are a part of the Deepin narrative. Now, I saw another thread by Crypto Reviewing. He does really good jobs in reviewing coins, guys. So this is the latest post, January 14, 2024. So he has basically described these projects. Many Deepin's projects will 20 to 50x from here. After months of research, these are my top 10 Deepin altcoins for the bull run. So according to him as well, this is a $1 trillion opportunity for crypto over the next few years, guys. So this is huge. This is not just any narrative. This is here to stay. And by the way, guys, these are not my top 10s, obviously, but these are, I'm not ranking them, but these are the ranking of crypto reviewing. We're just going to be looking at them and a lot of projects we've already discussed in this channel as well. So check this out. This is the top 10 Deepin projects according to crypto reviewing, but these are not my ranks, obviously. So check this out. He has ranked BitTensor Tau as number one. As I told you guys, they're involved in AI modeling and the contributions of experts, individuals, basically a neural hub for knowledge, for AI knowledge, and a network of networks. There, it is called the Bitcoin of AI as well, and he has rated it 9.5 out of 10. Check it out, project team, partnerships, and all of that stuff. Price potential, 3,000 to 12,000. The Rndr network, we've talked about it. Rndr rating 9.3, price potential $40 to $200, 10 to 50x, and as I told you guys, it is involved in GPU power and all of that stuff. So a huge project, guys. Constellation DAG, guys. This is one of my favorite projects in all of crypto. I'll be honest with you guys. I really like this project. Infinite scalability, guys. So involved with data and all of that stuff. It's got its own infrastructure, projects being built on top of it, the Lattice Exchange, Alchemy Exchange. I really like this project, guys. This, I think, has the potential to be huge in the future. Price potential $1 to $4, 25 to 100x, rating 9.3. Fetch AI, guys, decentralized market cap, AI, involved with AI and empowering individuals in terms of how they can be they can benefit from AI. This is also an AI project, guys. Rating 9 out of 10. Price potential $5 to $20. But in a few years, maybe. Let's see. So AKT Akash Network, AKT review 8.6 out of 10. Price potential $11 to 55, 20 to 100x. PAAL rating 8.4 out of 10. Price potential 0.40. So despite only being months into launching, PAAL are already achieving incredible adoption from 30 plus projects. Sorry, Akash are providing a decentralized cloud computing solution for Web3 users. Awesome. Track, Origin Trail, you might have heard about it. Rating 9 out of 10. Price potential $10 to $50, 20 to 100x. With the current industry problem of large amounts of misinformation, Track is a global platform for trusted data with knowledgeable assets. So basically, verifiability of data, guys. Ocean Protocol, you might have heard about it. Ocean, rating 8.6 out of 10, price potential $7 out of 7 to $35, 20 to 100x. Ocean Protocol looks set to revolutionize a $270 billion plus big data industry with their innovative AI and blockchain solutions, and also involved with AI and blockchain. Ator protocol, guys, it has gained a big community around it in recent times. Rating 8.6 out of 10, price potential $10 to $50, 25 to 100x. Ator protocol are working closely on a global internet privacy browser, guys. Tor, they look set to bring the many benefit of blockchain to the platform. So that is awesome, guys. You know that data begins in the web, so a privacy browser and basically doing that right, doing that part of the web right is the way to empower individuals. Iota, I do not know why is it number 10. To be very honest, ISO 20022 compliant. It is well integrated with the ISO 20022 standards, and I think this would be huge in the Internet of Things narrative, guys. We've talked about it. Rating 9.3 out of 10. Price potential $2 to $10, 10 to 50x. Iota have gargantuan. Gargantuan means huge partnerships that demonstrate the potential of the platform with feeless transactions and true scalability. Guys, it is also involved in tokenization, Internet of Things, and it is really great, guys, from IoT to transport to supply chain. IOTA is everywhere, guys. I think this has the potential to be a huge crypto juggernaut in the future, a brand in the future, regardless of the gains or not. This is here to stay. So yeah, guys. So this was the video on Depin infrastructure, the Depin narrative. If you haven't heard about it or haven't explored it yet, guys, do check it out. And if you like this video, make sure to and yeah, one more thing. What is your top 10? I mean, from these coins, you guys can rank your top 10 or top 5 as well. What are your top Depin projects? Let me know. Let the community know. Anyways, guys, if you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in any of the utility coins or potential gems, you guys can subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon. And you can also become a Patreon to support the channel. Like I always say at the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.